Do you want to quickly search for any footnotes or endnote marks in your document? It's easy to do using Word's powerful find and replace capabilities. If you don't know where a footnote or endnote reference is located in your document, you can use Word's powerful searching capabilities to find the automatic footnote references. To search for a footnote or endnote, start by pressing Ctrl-H. That brings up the Find and Replace dialog box, and the Replace tab is selected within that dialog box. Now in the Find What box, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a caret followed by a lowercase f. This indicates that I want to find a footnote reference. If I wanted instead to find an endnote mark, I would use a caret followed by a lowercase e. This is pretty easy to remember because F stands for footnote and E stands for endnote. I can now set other searching parameters as desired. To find the first occurrence, I just click on Find Next, and notice that Word found the first instance of a footnote mark within the document, and it has selected it. I can continue stepping through all of these by continuing to click Find Next if I want to, or if I wanted to change them to something else, I could do that here within the Find and Replace dialog box. The important thing here to remember is that it's caret F or caret E, depending upon whether you want to search for footnotes or endnotes. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.